Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KNDI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. A very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up there above $5.15. Now, with that being said, if the price does drop below $5.15, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart is broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above $5.15, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way, yet very effective to measure the health of the overall move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to visualize that? That is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 515, that would be awesome, but grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers are at and resistance, nothing complicated here at all other than the fact that the party finally stopped today right up around $5.60. So 516 or 560, excuse me, will be public enemy number one going forward. But really, in all actuality, resistance levels don't matter. Why do I say they don't matter? Well, what matters is what this chart has already been doing. And the chart has started to chip away and build higher bases. So as long as higher lows continue to be put into play, if you picture those as stair steps, then everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building higher lows, and then just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.